Right here I have the cloud couch that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm going to be reviewing this corduroy modular cloud couch that's 117 inches wide. Now this is super versatile and it's great for your living room, bedroom, basement. It has so many different uses and it fits almost every single room. Now I have to say this is probably some of the most comfortable and soft fabric that I've ever felt. This has a corduroy material that feels amazing on the skin, pet friendly and breathable. Now this is also going to come with 3 large pillows, and then you're also going to get 2 smaller pillows as well. All you got to do is just fluff these up. This actually shows up in 2 different boxes. When you open this up, just make sure you be careful that you don't tear anything. It'll just expand, and then you give it about 48 to 72 hours for this to totally take shape. Now, what I love about this is it comes with 2 different ottomans. Most cloud couches are going to come with 1 or none at all. So this one comes with 2, and as I sit here, it is so comfortable. My feet actually go all the way to the end and they don't even hang off. I'm 5'11" and I fit this couch amazing. Now on the edge of this couch, you're gonna have an armrest that is flat, and I love that because you can actually set a drink on here, some magazines, even a laptop if you wanna work, making this an absolute perfect and versatile couch to do so. Now my favorite thing to do in this couch is actually just to hang out, watch movies, and just relax because it is just so comfy. So if you wanna extend this a little bit, all you gotta do is just push that ottoman out, and then now you can really lay back, enjoy your time, hang out, watch a movie, have snacks in the middle because it is just a flat base and it is just so comfortable. This is made with a high density foam that is gonna be so comfortable. Some cloud couches are actually very firm and some of them are really soft and they don't really take shape well. This one's kind of right in that sweet spot. It feels amazing. It's not too firm, very, very comfortable. And after about 48 hours or less, this thing actually took full shape and looks amazing. This does come in a couple different colors, so make sure you check all of those out. But you can do a couple different things, and I'm gonna show you a few different ways that you can actually put this couch. So one of the looks that I do love is just taking away one of the ottomans, and now you kind of have an L-shaped modular couch, and it kind of just makes it look more like a sectional. Maybe this will fit your home a little bit better, but I love that you can mix and match and make this very, very nice and versatile to fit your space. Also, you can just take away all the ottomans altogether, giving you just a nice sectional couch, and this can definitely fit 3 people, no problem. Being 117 inches, it's absolutely amazing. The height on here is great. You can see my legs extended, and it's just a nice couch, not too high, not too short, and it has a nice wide seat base too, so I can really feel comfortable while I'm hanging out on this couch. And as you move this around in seconds, you have something very unique that you don't see in most homes. You can actually put the ottoman over here and here. It just gives you a nice design. Maybe this will fit your room a little bit better, and you could actually make this 2 separate couches as well, and that's pretty cool. I also just love how you can pull all these apart as well, so you can kind of just throw this off to the side. So if you do have friends coming over, you can actually use these ottomans as a seat for themselves because they're nice, sturdy, and these seats could actually hold 2 people side by side. So if you are having a lot of people over, you could definitely mix and match this in a way to accommodate everybody in your home. And all of this on the side is actually going to be connected. This is going to be connected to that, and the back is going to be connected. So you can separate these 2, but this makes it perfect if you live in an apartment or a townhome. Maybe you don't have a lot of room or access to get a big couch upstairs in your room. These come in 2 smaller boxes, so it'll make it very easy to transport and take it into those places that you can't lug around a big couch. If you're looking for a cloud couch, this is definitely the one that I recommend. It has the firmness, the softness, and it's very versatile. It's amazing. Go and check this out for yourself. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.